Hello, I'm Edwige Dro. I'm a writer and a literary translator from English into French and also from French into English. I also define myself as a literary activist. So, how did I come to literary translation? Through literary activism. For me, I am really passionate about bridging the gap between the so called Francophone Africa and Anglophone Africa. And to that end, I have translated the work of many upcoming African writers for the anthology of short story for activism. And I've just finished translating young adult short stories of the Afro Young Adult Initiative, spearheaded by Zukiswa Wana. So then the question of do I make a living from literary translation always comes up. And I do wonder if anybody ever make a living from any of the activity. Yes, I make a living. If I need to answer that question, I make a living, but I also write and I also do consulting work. But for me, literary translation goes beyond making a living important that is. For me, it is about translating the nuances of the language, let's say the French language or the English language. For instance, the French that is spoken in Cote d'Ivoire is very different from the French spoken in France. It is different from the French spoken in Cameroon, in Mali, in Togo, in Burkina Faso. So for me, literary translation is about activism. I am really passionate about Africans, especially seeing themselves in the literature so that we could have conversation, so that we could have debate. To that end, I would love to translate the work of Armangos. I think both his novels present a challenge where the French language is concerned, and I would love to rise up to that challenge. And as for advice for upcoming literary translators, well, read a lot and be passionate about the nuances in the language in which you translate. Thank you very much.